Hey Shynies, so this is my today's outfit. So let's start this video. Hey Shynies, welcome back to my channel. So this is a comparison video. So today I'm gonna compare with two products like Hii sunscreen and Lotus sunscreen. So let's start this video with these two products. And first you can divide your face with the help of marking trick. Your face with this kajal or eyeliner you can prefer. So let's start. First you mark on your face like this, like a division type, and or you can say partition also. So let's quick, I want to try them all. In this side I want to apply Lotus and this side Hii. So you can see the difference of color. Let's apply. This is Hii and this is little bit of stickiness, and that is Lotus, that is much better than Lotus, cooling sensing and much better. Let's blend it. And see the difference of these two products. Now this is the difference. I think Lotus, it's feeling so non-stickiness and sweat free also. Let's tell about Hii sunscreen. That is full of stickiness and also not sweat free. So I prefer to use and also recommend to you all, that is Lotus sunscreen, and Hii sunscreen is not preferred and also not recommended to you all. You can see my reactions. So that will be better sunscreen in summer. So that's all for today's video, Shynies. Thanks for watching. So I will see you in next video. Till then, take care and love you all. Bye.